Morning, friends. Welcome to goonlinetrainings.com. So, welcome you all for the June 1st demo of for the Power BI. And many people just now I had shown you lot of offer letters, from our students only who received the offers and without paying not even single rupee to anybody, only taking the course from from very very scratch level to advanced level. So I'm going to be teaching you from very very basic level to advanced level, right? So you may put 3 years of experience or 5 years of experience or 10 years of experience, doesn't matter. So if you wanted to attend or learn Power BI, the first thing is that why people wanted to come into IT industry. The first reason is that you have to get the awesome salary, right? So that is the motivation factor to get into the IT industry. The second factor, so sir, we are coming from non-IT background. Sir, I have 10 years of a gap, or I'm coming from BA background. I'm done. I have a lot of backlogs. I have education gaps, or I don't have intermediate. I have only open university degree. Can I come into IT industry? Yes, you're 100% eligible for the IT industry. Sir, I have a diploma, I have MBA, I'm BCom, BA, whatever be the qualification. And you could be 2002 passed out, 2005 passed out, 2008 passed out, doesn't matter. Clear? If you keep 3 years of experience, okay, remaining time you can say that, sir, I have done my MBA in 2010 and 8 years I was doing my business, and last 3 years I'm working as a data engineer. The current salary is 8 lakhs or 7 lakhs. Then definitely you will be able to get 10 to 12 lakhs. So people are not asking about, what were you doing earlier, even though you have 10, 15 years of education gap. Guys, can you hear me clearly? Other people, please disconnect once again and connect if you're not able to listen to me clearly, or use the one more device. Okay. So, guys, can you hear me clearly? Others. Okay, fine, fine. So there is no issue, right? Can you hear me clearly? Okay. So that is good. Thank you, guys. So the end of the day, you have to have one software where less coding means any non-IT people or especially housewives, so who have 10 years of career gap, or they don't have the proper guidance and they don't know what to learn. Because if you go outside, you have a lot of brokers rather than teachers and gurus. Okay, if you are in the hands of brokers, you will get nothing. You lose the money, you lose the confidence, and they will say that everything can be done 1 month, and they also say that the companies are slowly getting opened. So they simply wanted to take your money, and after that you will not be able to do anything. So 1 or 2 months you can attend interviews with the proxy calls and everything, but after that, when you join the company, the day one itself, the manager can ask you, tell me what was the role in the previous company. Tell me how you are able to do these activities, who are able to give these activities. Tell me the architecture about the project. Now, how did you handle this kind of a stored procedures? Now, these proxy guys will get caught in the companies. Now, after that, either they have to resign, or sometimes what happens, companies will recruit and they're on the bench. Bench means nobody is going to be asking. They will be smoothly getting the salaries and everything. After third month and fourth month, these guy again taken into the project. When they give you a task, this guy does not know where to start and where to stop. So this guy again will get caught. The problem is, so they are going to be needing your money because your hands of the brokers. Clear? So if you take the right decision, you wanted to have a proper director called Rajamouli, or if you wanted to have any broker, if you wanted to take a movie, will you be, going to the broker's hand with your cash and money, or you need a proper director like, Rajamouli, Puri, Jagannath, or Shankar? So, whom do you approach? Will you approach a broker? So definitely you're not going to be approaching a broker, right? You're going to be approaching a proper director or guru, a proper mentor. So goonlinetrainings.com is completely giving you proper mentoring. So course you can learn from anywhere. You can also buy the videos from Udemy. You can also get the videos from YouTube, or you can also learn from anywhere, but you will not be able to get the proper mentoring. Clear? So if you don't have the proper mentoring, even though you have a lot of skills, so you will be able to fail, because in the cinema industry, a lot of heroes are there, but only few movies are going to be major hit. So other cinema will be very flop. Why? Because the story may be good. If you don't have a proper director, proper mentor, definitely you will be able to lose a lot of opportunities. Clear? So end of the day, many people will say, my son is doing very good course from a reputed institution, and my brother is very brilliant, my sister is very brilliant. But end of the day, even though you're brilliant, but end of the day, you need to have a proper mentor. Proper gurus have to be there to shine your skills. Clear? Otherwise, you will have 90% of marks, but working for Amazon company and earning 20,000 rupees per month, or you will be working for a call center earning 25,000 rupees per month. Clear? So that is the thing. So even though you have a skill and certification, right? So BA, BCom, anything is fine. You need to have one graduation, or even diploma guys also they can attend. But only thing is that they wanted to come into IT industry to get the more salaries, and they wanted to get the less coding software so that they can survive in the company. But you have to learn from scratch. Clear? If you don't have a time, we don't have any short term courses. We don't have any weekend batches. Only Monday to Friday we will be having the classes on the same time. 8 to 9 we will be conducting the classes. So only morning batches we have. We don't have any evening batches as of now. So we have one evening batch, but that will get discontinued very soon. But we have only two batches in the morning, 6:30 a.m. and 8 o'clock. So definitely we don't have any other batches. If you wanted to complete the course faster manner, means one is that I strongly not recommend that. But still, if you wanted to continue, you can buy previous videos from us, previous batch videos from us, and you can call these numbers, or you can also mail me your details at, I don't have a time, I want to buy the videos and practice on my own. That is also fine. Clear? So this course is going to be taking minimum 45 days. Minimum 45 days to complete. Complete June and complete July we're going to be taking. So you have to fill this form, guys, because this form where you can mention your email address, your full name with surname, your city or country or location, means your hometown, phone number. We need your WhatsApp phone number. For other countries, you have to mention the country code as well. Course details, you have to mention Power BI. Date, you have to give June 1st. So whatever be the reason, I have given you the form in the chart window. I have given you the form in the chart window. Whatever be the, whatever be the reason, if you're not able to fill, so give me your details. Give me your details in my mail ID, so that I will be able to send this form in the email, so that you will be able to fill it up. Or if you get any technical issues, you send me the details in my mail ID. So this is my mail ID: goonline.bhaskar, bhaskarjogi@gmail.com. There are two things we need to understand. One is that when you fill the form, you will be able to give a special discount, even though you have filled it earlier and you have also joined in the month of May, or earlier batches but discontinued, whatever be the reason. Still you have to fill the form today. So if you already filled it up earlier, you ignore it. You have joined in the other batch, you ignore it. You have to fill this form without fail. So these are the numbers. You can also say simply hi message. Automatically this form will be given to you. You simply store this number. This is my Go Online Operations Teams number. You say hi to this number, this form will be given. Or you can also write me a mail after the class. I will be able to send this form, but compulsorily you people have to fill this form, and you will be able to give the special discount. So we are going to be having three demos: June 1st, June 2nd, June 3rd. So three demos are completely free, and after the three demos we will be announcing the discount price. So on that day, definitely you have to fill this form. Otherwise, what will happen? If you don't fill this form, you will not be able to get the discounted price either today or tomorrow, by latest by day after tomorrow. You should be able to fill all these details. And if you attend 3 classes means you can understand the subject very, very clearly. And so daily videos are going to come to your emails. So if you mention the proper details, so day one itself, the communication is very, very smooth, right? If you give wrong address and wrong communication, then we will not be able to communicate, right? The one more thing, sometimes my mails will reach your spam box. Check your spam box and make sure that your email IDs are not, is not there in that. Okay, so remove from the spam. So still, if you're not able to get the communication, you can write me a mail or you can just call them up. They will be able to give you complete information. So anytime you can just mention if you have any problem, you can just write a mail to me, or you can also create communicate these numbers, guys. If they're not able to respond, anyhow, I have your mail ID, sir. I have, send the request. I did not can get any communication. If you escalate the matter to me, I will be able to take it further. So should not be worried at all. So this will take a minimum of 45 days of time, and that is what is the thing. So apart from Power BI, if you have any fresher, fresher opportunities also we are helping. So because Go Online trainings, it is not only trainings, but also we are running a consultancy. If you need any placements for the freshers, and a lot of opportunities are available in these companies, you can reach out my operations team number 93981 and 18506. Same number 93981 18506. This is Mr. Madhav. For the fresher openings, you will be able to reach out. And HCL Technologies, this is a salary you will be able to get it, guys. And Tech Mahindra. So if you want any fresher openings and support, you can reach out to us. So only in India, so not for in abroad, right? So any BE, BTech, MTech, MBC, BSc, and MTech, BA, BCom, and other people are not eligible for the fresher openings. Clear? So as a fresher, you will be able to get the job opportunities. In your family, if you have somebody, you inform this number. So this number is Mr. Madhav number. Madhav is our head of the company, so he's going to be leading the operations team. Clear? Yeah. You can also see his email ID goonline.madhav@gmail.com and goonline.avinash. So he is going to be giving you the video access and everything, so that you need not worry about video recordings and everything. Daily videos will get posted by Mr. Avinash. So if you miss out any class, so the same day video will get uploaded by the evening of the same day, and so that you can watch that video in the evening, so you can get ready for the next day. If you have any problem with the video access and everything, you can reach out to this Avinash number. So this you can clearly mention when did you join and all the details. Then if you say I am not getting a video access, nobody knows which batch you are coming from and who are you. Nobody knows about it. Clearly mention I have joined in 1st of June batch and my name is this and I have joined in your institution, but I'm not able to get the videos. So he's the guy is going to be giving the all videos access. You can also chat with him and you can also mail goonline.avinash clear at gmail.com. So for job guidance, not only Power BI placements we are going to provide, we are also giving a lot of other opportunities for MSB developer, AWS developer, DevOps, Selenium, Azure, and Mr. Madhav is the one point content for the placement for these technologies as well in India. Clear? So now uh, what about the Power BI, which is a hot skill? Anyone can learn this course. Hot skill to get the jobs in IT industry. High salary will be paid. If you put 3 years of experience, you will be able to get a 10 lakhs to 12 lakhs of salary package and no coding required. 45 hours daily, 1 hour class will be there. Monday to Friday, we will have classes. No classes on Saturday and Sunday on public holidays also. Don't ask me, sir, do we have classes on Saturday? We don't have any weekend batches and we don't have any crash courses. Nothing is available, and this will take a minimum of 45 days to complete. So June month and July month, it will take to complete it. So if you don't have a time, so you can opt for, you can buy Power BI videos from us previous batch videos. You can also check with my team. So these are the team's number. You can tell them that I have joined the batch, but I don't want to continue in this batch because I don't have the times. I wanted to buy the videos. Okay, so the video access will be given. So all the assignments and projects and the CV preparation, everything is included in the in the CV in your video based training as well. You should not be worried at all. If you get any kind of a problem, so we will be able to create a Telegram group. You can also be there in that group. You can ask the questions to the fellow members. Clear? So you will be able to get a Telegram group so that you can participate in that group. So if you have any questions, you will be able to ask all the questions over there as well. So that is also there. So if you wanted to attend live classes, we have, but I strongly recommend you put a lot of efforts because uh, IT industry is giving you much more opportunity. It does not mean that you have to learn everything within 20 days or 1 month. And if you jump into IT industry tomorrow, you will be facing lot of problems. I had seen lot of people, they're in the hands of a brokers. If if you catch, if the broker is catching hold of you, then he's going to be taking everything. He will take your money, he will take your time, he will take your future also. End of the day, you will be 80% of the time, you will either fail or long run you will fail. Okay, so somehow you will manage for under 1 year, 2 years because you don't have any knowledge. So long run, what will happen? Slowly you die and die and die, and one day you quit and come because you don't enjoy the working with IT company because you don't have the basic skills, you don't have the proper practice, and only you thought that you need one job, and somebody told that that is the guy who's going to helping for the job placement. So you take a course and you can, if you need a proxy, you can go for the placement with that broker. So if you have something in your hand, either that guy can help you or even yourself can help you. So if you attend my course, you don't need any brokers, you don't need any extra payment, you need not pay, give it to anybody. Just fail 5 to 6 rounds of interviews, you will be able to easily scratch. Nirosha and I have Shiva, all these people are 10 years back, they have done MBAs, BTechs and mechanical background, civil background guys, diploma guys. They're able to crack the interviews. 5 interviews they're failing. Sixth interviews they're saying, sir, I got 2 offers, I got 3 offers. Other people are saying no calls for Power BI. That is how they're getting the guidance because they will learn Power BI, that too in 20 days of time, and within that nothing will happen because the broker wanted to take your money. So when you go there, they will simply say, nothing is needed, nothing is needed. We will prepare the CVs and companies are getting open, this one, that one. So remember, you are not born, to join the company without knowledge. Otherwise, why is that you need to study, BTech and MTechs, and you could also done this, broker pay, you could also, pay it before itself and you got the offer letters, right? So why you need to wait for so long, and why is that you have to study for so long, and why is that you need to be in the company for another 10, 20 years? Clear? So don't, cheat yourself and don't approach brokers. I don't have enemies here, but I wanted to give you proper guidance. If you go to any other institutions, so hardly they'll have 5 to 10 people, but in our batch we will have 100 to 200 people because our success rate is too good and everybody is getting much more opportunities, especially people are earning 20,000 rupees, 30,000 rupees, no growth at all, in the operations or banking or any sales. All right, so they may be working as a cashier. Last month, well, one guy got a job. He has written me email, said, I was a cashier in Warangal. I was a cashier in Warangal, a cashier to data analytics. That itself is feeling so proud, sir. I'm so happy that I have learned these goods. As a cashier, he was earning 8,000 rupees per month. First interview he cracked it. First interview he cracked it, and he was so happy. And he's written me mail saying that, sir, as a fact, cashier to data analyst, it is giving me a pride feeling. So like that, many people are enjoying the course, and slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. Proper mentoring, proper gurus always will give you the better opportunities to go into the IT industry, guys. Clear? So now I wanted to tell you what is that you wanted to learn to get into IT industry, especially with this. Power BI, right? So 45 daily classes will be there Monday to Friday. Daily recorded videos are going to be shared. Real-time topics are going to be discussed, and sample CVs are going to be provided. CV preparation is going to be given. Online lab support will be given, and a Telegram group we are going to be creating so that you can join and discuss the questions along with me. And a placement assistance and support across India will be given. How to prepare CV, how to work with the project, how to tell about the projects, what to keep, what not to keep. Everything we are going to provide. Clear? We will give you sample CVs. I will review your CV. I'll say what projects to keep in that, and I will tell you how to tell about your projects. Clear? Everything will be given, so you should not be worried at all. So many people will ask me, sir, what is the prerequisite for the Power BI? Right? Power BI నేర్చుకోవాలంటే నాకేమి రావాలి? What is that I wanted to know in order to learn Power BI? I will say nothing. I say nothing. To learn Power BI, if you know 2 plus 2 equals to 4, you can learn Power BI. That is what is the prerequisite. Clear? So if you wanted to learn Power BI నేర్చుకోవడానికి ఏమి రావాలి అంటే నథింగ్. You should be a graduate guy, BA, BCom, any year passed out. That is a certificate. The second one, what is that you should know? Nothing. You should know nothing. If you know 2 plus 2 equals to 4, you can easily learn Power BI. Power BI is similar to your WhatsApp, similar to your Facebook, similar to your Excel sheet, similar to your Paint. It is not a complicated software. Clear? So anybody can learn Power BI. Power BI does not need anything, right, to learn the Power BI. Clear? So it is a data analytical software. I will discuss tomorrow more, technical discussions. Okay, what is a data analytics? What is a business intelligence? What is a Power BI? What is MSBI? What is SQL Server? Everything technical things I'm going to be discussing in tomorrow's class. Today, let us talk about generalized things. Am I clear? Now, who can learn this Power BI course? Any graduate, any non-IT professional, any year passed outs, teachers, bank professionals, sales professionals, housewives especially, healthcare professionals, banking, insurance professionals, teachers, people who are not getting a proper salary. That is the thing, simple thing. If you are getting only 20,000 rupees per month, means you have to leave that job and please try to jump into IT industry. Okay. So I was also one of the guy. I was earning hardly 5,000 rupees or 3,000 rupees in a 2,000. So that is the when one neighbor told me, Bhaskar, if you're working for an operational head and in 20 years life, you can maximum get 50,000 rupees, not more than that. In 2000, that guy told me, you have to jump into IT industry. That time, no Amirpet, nothing was there. So I started learning the course, not in Hyderabad. I was there in Hyderabad in that time and working for a small, non-IT, industry. So I was completely BSc Maths guy, and I don't have any English communication and no proper guidance, but I know that I have to jump. So immediately I have resigned in Hyderabad. I went to, Bangalore and joined in a small, institution or a small office where I can earn some, some amount so that I can do my courses and everything, right? So used to, work for the a small company earning 3,000 rupees per month. And evening I used to do a lot of courses. Within, 1 or 2 years, I got an offer with Hindustan Unilever Bangalore with 40,000 of salary package, right? So a 3,000 guy without no proper guidance, I did not have proper money. My family, my father is a farmer and completely, he was doing a labor work and earning hardly 2,000 rupees per month for my family, right? Definitely he cannot give me any good support. So only thing is that I need to intelligent. I need to look around, and that time there was no proxy, nothing. So only we need to learn some subject here and there. And that time, I was taking a small help from the small institutions. I'm able to crack the interview, and from my because of me, 20 to 30 people now came into IT industry. All of them are there in the BA technologies. So 2000 year, I started jumping, and in 2001 I got into a very good company, Hindustan Unilever, in which is there in Brookfields of Bangalore near Whitefield. Before that, there was a Brookfield, very very big campus, and I got joined in that company and worked for more than 3 to 4 years. Then after the TVS Motors in Daimler Chrysler, then Patni Computers, Accenture, Microsoft, lot of companies I worked almost 20-22 years. Clear? I'm a real-time guy and I'm passionate about teaching. I want to help the people share my knowledge. So because of that, I'm here today. I am not here not to simply do some course and go. I don't want to go waste your time. So definitely, I wanted to share my industry knowledge with you. And if there is a good teacher, definitely many people can help. Many people can get the knowledge very easily. That is the reason I have resigned. I'm not working anywhere. So whatever be the knowledge I have acquired in the companies like Patni Computers, Accenture, Microsoft, the same knowledge I'm sharing with you guys. So you don't go with the brokers. I'm telling you, MSc, MCom, MBA, BBA, diploma, BTech, even though you're coming from open university, that is not a problem. You, after 10th class, you don't have any plus two, but directly you have appeared for graduation. That is also fine. Don't worry about all of them. So only thing is that even though you have 10 years of a gap, don't worry. You can put them that you can tell them that last 8 years I was working for a small company, I was working for a small college, or I was working for a nursery and teaching the nursery kids and getting hardly 10-20,000 rupees. Now, 3 years back only, my brother told me to join into IT industry. I have resigned the school as a teacher. Now I have jumped into this institution, this company. Now I'm getting 7 lakhs of salary package. Now I want to have 10 or 12 lakhs of salary package. That is the thing. That's it. Very simple. You should not be worried about it. If you're having a PF account and with drawing at least 10,000, 20,000 rupees, you don't close that account because PF account is needed. If you have the PF account and drawing 20,000 rupees per month, so with the 20,000 rupees per month salary, you will be able to get minimum 10 lakhs of salary package, guys. You should not close those originals. Okay, so you may be working for a salesman. Clear? So you can tell them that, sir, I was working for a ICICI Bank as a sales executive, but my roles and responsibilities, initially I was creating a lot of reports with Excel sheet. Now I'm using Power BI and ICICI Bank. So I have a PF account and everything. Last 5 years I was working with ICICI Bank. Earlier, first 2 years in Excel, and last 3 years I was completely into Power BI and other technologies. So current salary is 4 lakhs. I'm expecting is 10 lakhs. Then they'll ask you why 10 lakhs? Because other people from from ICICI Bank, they've resigned, they got into IT, they are getting 10 lakhs of salary package. So how much you can negotiate? You can say that 9.5. So don't say that, don't say that, sir, they will say, if you're having a 4 lakhs of salary package, according to the industry standard, we'll give you 30% hike. There is no industry standard as such. Nowhere written that the IT industry should give the 30% hike only. It is completely demand and supply. That's it. Nothing. No industry standard. And they will say, the recruiter will say, according to the industry standard, we will give you 30%. Nowhere it is written that. So people only get 30%. It is always a demand and supply. If they need a good guy, you will be able to get it. Then one more thing they will say. So we don't have a budget. If they don't have a salary budget, that is their problem. But you cannot work for 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs salary package. You will be able to get a minimum 8, 9, 10. So 12 lakhs of salary package. All the people who have just now shown, I did not record. Many people got offer letters in the last month. At least 10 people offer letters just now I had shown. I did not record it because I couldn't. That is wrong. Legal, it is wrong. I don't want to record that. I did not record. All these people have taken and from 4 lakhs to 10 lakhs, 3 lakhs to 10 lakhs, 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs. So one guy, Chari, he's got 10 lakhs to I think 15 lakhs of salary package. Few guys got it. So if you have a PF account and everything, don't close it. How to use, I will be able to tell you at the end of the class, guys, and you will be able to easily use your designation. Could be sales executive, anything. I got a home guard, and last month his resignation is a home guard. Where is he working? He is working for crime intelligence and create lot of crime reports with the help of a Power BI. Okay, that guy resigned and applied for the job. Then the HR asked from Cognizant, you are saying home guard, and how do you know that? Then says that yes, my designation is home guard. I'm working for Telangana government crime intelligence, and I used to take a lot of crime data and create a lot of reports and submit to, KCR government and Telangana government. So, and SPs and DSPs will get the reports, daily reports will be given. So the guy, left the home guard job, got into IT industry. The designation could be anything, doesn't matter. But only thing is that, do you have courage to jump into IT industry with the proper gurus, or do you need the brokers? You need to decide yourself. Clear? If you need the broker, then definitely you will be the loser, Nana. So COVID is an accidental thing. Clear? COVID is an accidental thing that came up, but it is good that, many non-IT companies also closing the jobs, because of the data science. So I will talk about tomorrow what is the data science. Because of data science and data analytics, lot of things are getting automated. So recruitment is automating, sales is getting automated. Because of online, teachers are losing the opportunities. Byju's companies, Avinash companies, making everything online. Lot of things are getting automated. So if you are working for a 20,000 rupees salary, if you are working for a 30,000 rupees salary, and these jobs are getting automated in next 2 to 3 years, I'm telling you. If that is the case, you have to resign your job after 2 years and again jump in the IT industry, because a lot of opportunities the IT itself is taking. If you're not able to work there, and what is the other opportunity you have? The better that you have to jump into the IT industry today. Otherwise, after 3 years, you cannot say, "Sir, I did not get the good salary." One guy told me the other day, "Sir, after my MBA graduation, I have joined a company. I was working for 4 lakh salary package, but other people did not get the opportunities. Those people tried learning a lot of courses. Now those guys are able to get, because they jumped from MBA background, they jumped to IT, they're getting 30 to 40 lakh salary package. Now with the MBA background, I got the job, but 10 years my salary package is at 10 lakhs. So who's the loser now? You got the job with MBA background, 10 years back. Now your salary is 10 to some 12, 30 lakhs of salary package. But same friends with the same MBA background and struggling and not able to crack the interviews, but somehow they got into IT industry. Initial struggle, but today they are earning 30 to 40 lakhs in the Hyderabad itself. So now it is not that starting point is not so important. Always what is important? Ending point is not important. Starting point, you should be a sales guy. You're a housemaker, housewife, or maybe somebody who would have cheated you, and so a lot of things can happen. But end of the day, you have to be realize that, I have to be in the IT industry. I have to, reach proper destiny. Abraham Lincoln was a shoemaker. Who stopped it, right? A failure lawyer for 11 years, more than 5 years. A failure lawyer become a, the good leader in India. His name is Mahatma Gandhi. He was a failure lawyer in Rajkot of Gujarat. For 5 years, he could not won not even a single case against the English people. But that single guy became a good leader in India. He became a Mahatma, right? So Modi, who was in selling tea, now he's able to become a president in India. So it doesn't matter. The starting point is not so important. Whether you're a BCom guy, BA guy, or a sales manager, or you're working as a labor, or you're working in a Swiggy, it doesn't matter. Clear? What matters is, you take the proper guru's knowledge, you take the proper mentor's knowledge, you slowly convert yourself into a proper leader, proper technical guy, so that you can get into IT industry, guys. That is what, right? So can you have a can you have a capability to take the risk? If that is the case, definitely you will be able to get into IT industry. Should not be worried at all. Clear? Right. So, what is that you have to learn? So, only if you learn Power BI, is that sufficient? The answer is 100% no. Right? If you wanted to learn Power BI, what are the other things? So, if you wanted to learn BI, business intelligence, I'll talk about business intelligence and everything tomorrow. Only Power BI cannot give you. What is that you have to learn? You have to learn SQL. You have to learn SQL, and you have to learn compulsorily ETL. Compulsorily ETL. So this is where we are going to be learning a tool called SSIS. Compulsorily, you have to learn one reporting tool. What is a tool? Reporting tool you have to learn. So reporting tool will be Power BI for you. Clear? You should also learn one more tool called data warehousing. Clear? So if you wanted to come into IT industry, if you wanted to become a BA means business intelligence. I will talk about everything in tomorrow's class. What is a business intelligence? What is SQL? What is Power BI? What is SSIS? What is ETL? What is reporting? What is data analytics, data analysis, business intelligence, data science, all the thing. What is a data warehousing? Everything I'm going to be discussing tomorrow's class. But if you wanted to come into IT industry, you have to compulsorily learn all these technologies. Clear? If you go to the broker, he will say you learn SQL for 10 classes, only 10 days. Okay, only 10 days you learn SQL Server. You learn reporting for 20 days. So enough, right? So 10 days and 20 days, 30 days, the course will get over and I will give you a job because companies are getting opened. You pay 1 lakh or 2 lakh, you will be able to get a placement. So the first thing, if you learn only Power BI, no calls only for Power BI today. You would have heard this point. So no calls for Power BI only today. If you only learn Power BI, that too for 20 days, you will not be able to do not even a half day work in the company. You will be the 100% loser. Clear? So what is that you have to learn? Compulsorily SQL Server, not 10 days and 20 days. SQL Server, we have a 45 days classes. How many days classes we have? A 45 days classes. So this is also 45 days. And the reporting means I'm talking about Power BI. So this is also, it is not a 20 days classes. This is a 45 days classes, daily 1 hour. Okay, na? 45 days classes you have to learn. So SQL and Power BI is mandatory. Clear? So this month and next month, what is this month? This month is June and next month is what? July, right? These 2 months, you have to learn what are the tools. You have to learn SQL Server and you have to learn Power BI. Remember this. How can you learn? So daily Power BI, you have to attend morning 8 o'clock. So you have to attend this. And if you don't have a time, at least you can get the daily videos and you can watch. And we will create Telegram group. You can participate in that. So you could complete morning. You can go to the college. Evening you come back. So the daily video you can download it and you can just watch it. And if you have a question, you can place in the Telegram group like that. You can have it. So we have a 6:30 batch also, but that is not going to be happening now. You can jump to that batch in the next month if you wanted to jump. Clear? This month you can complete. So the 8 o'clock. If you're not able to join, at least get the daily video, watch in the evening, and the next month when the any batch starts, or you can jump from this batch to that batch. So you can continue in that. Okay. So June and July you have to dedicate for SQL Server and 45 days of Power BI. Power BI live classes. Power BI what classes? Live classes will be there Monday to Friday. And SQL, we don't have live classes, no live classes. Okay. But how do you learn this? You have to learn by buying the videos from us. Clear? You have to buy the videos from us. So 45 videos will be given. So daily you have to watch one video. If you're watching, if you're attending morning Power BI, evening you need to watch one video of SQL Server and you have to prepare a notes on your own. So, place, this will be 1 hour video, 45 days, 1 hour videos are there, 45 videos. You watch that video. You watch for 15 minutes and you take the notes. You watch for 15 minutes, you pause it, you take the notes, you're getting bored, you stop it. And next day morning again you continue watching for one more 15 minutes and one more 15 minutes. Don't watch continuously, you will fall asleep, right? So don't do that. You watch for only 10-15 minutes and stop it. You buy a notebook and a pen, write the notes. Clear? So SQL Server, we have Telugu and English medium, videos are available. If you wanted to, get a regional language, we have Telugu and we have English videos are available. So you can buy any one of the versions. Both cannot be given. You have to buy separately. You have to buy separately. The fees and everything will be given not today after 2 classes. Today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, 3 classes are completely free. So after the third class, you have to make the payment. Clear? So the fees details and everything will be informed on the third day. So don't ask me now and don't waste your time. Don't waste my time. So the special discount will be given if you fill in the form, right? Fill the details in the form. So you have to buy the videos and daily one video you need to watch and daily you need to attend Power BI classes. Am I clear? So this will be June and July. You are learning 2 courses. Clear? You have to make the payment for SQL Server. You have to make the payment for Power BI. So you will be given a special discount. Clear? So this is the one that you have to do it without fail. Clear? So what is that you have to learn? SQL Server. So this will be a 45 days. Within 10 days, nothing can happen. So 1 hour videos, you will be able to get 45 videos. Daily you watch one video. It is completely, you buy videos and practice. We don't have any live classes for this. Okay. We don't have any live classes. So this is very, very important. Sir, my friend told me he is going to be teaching. Sir, I have studied in my BTech. Sir, I know basics. Nothing is going to work. You cannot do with that course. Clear? So who can learn? And I'm talking about what to learn. Okay. I'm talking about what to learn. What is that you're going to be learning? So compulsorily you have to learn SQL Server. This is the first one. But the second one you are going to be learning Power BI. Right? Power BI again 45 days of training. Okay. 45 days of training daily 1 hour and so daily videos also you will be able to get so this is a completely live classes. If you don't have the time you can also opt for the videos. So these videos also available in both languages. So this is available in English. You can also buy Telugu videos. The cost is the same. So you can buy. So explanation will be in Telugu, but notes and everything will be in English. Clear? So you have to buy any of them. And Power BI, the live classes will be in English, but we have also Power BI English videos are available. Power BI Telugu videos are also available. Clear? So you can attend a live English batch, but if you wanted to have Telugu videos, either this English or Telugu, only one video will be given, not both of them. Clear? Previous batch Telugu videos can be given, but you can attend live classes in English. Clear? So notes and everything will be there in English only. Even though you attend Telugu, you listen Telugu, you will be able to get either this or this will be given. So clear. So in this, there is no live classes. You need to buy the videos. And sir, I have a basic knowledge. I have studied elsewhere means that is not sufficient. I'm telling you. So these are compulsory. Clear? So these two you will be completing when? In the month of June and July. Clear? June and July without asking any question, you will be able to complete them. So after that, is it enough? It is not enough. So one more course you have to do it. That is what is called in month of August. Month of August, you will be able to do one more course. That is what is called ETL software SSIS. This is what is called as ETL software. Extracting the data, transforming the data, all the technical things I will discuss. Extract the data, transform the data, and load the data. So we have this tool. This tool again, 25 days it is going to be taking 1 month time, and no live classes. No live classes again. You have to buy the videos only. You have to buy videos. So you need to buy the video separately. So this will be conducted, or you can buy this not now. So in the month of August you can plan this, and along with that you will be able to get data warehousing. Okay, data warehousing also compulsorily must. This will be for 7 days. Okay, very, very easy. These are again no live classes. So no live classes, you need to have it. And these are completely free videos will be posted to you. Okay, free videos will be posted to you. You need not make the payment for this. Clear? So no live classes for this. So, so this is what is called a reporting. So what is reporting here? Power BI is a reporting software. We are going to be learning them. Am I clear? So these are the things that you're going to be learning in the August month. So in this, so in the middle of August only, I will be telling how to prepare the CVs. CV preparation will be included. One project is included in above course. Okay, in the above course for free. Okay, in the above course, one project it includes for free. You need not make any payment. The project name also I'm telling you, Amazon. Clear? So that will be given for free. CV preparation will be provided, and sample CVs also provided. Sample CVs are provided, so you can get the complete guidance how to prepare CVs, how many projects I need to keep it, and how to explain the interviews. So all the interview questions are going to be provided, right? All interview questions are the provided. And if you need something, I'll be able to provide it. Don't worry about it. I will review your CVs and everything. You will upload the CVs, and how to increase the calls after uploading, how to upload, how to increase the calls by telecallers, or how to increase the schedules. Okay, some people are saying, sir, we are not able to get any calls. So we will tell you how to increase the schedules and everything, and you get the jobs and everything. Clear? So these are the things that you have to know. So end of the day, what are the things we are learning? You have to be very clear. So many people will tell me, sir, yesterday one girl called me, sir, one guy cheated me. Why? He taught me only Power BI for 20 days. Now I am not getting not even a single call. The problem, I told, sir, I have attended your demo classes, but I did not join because I did not have a time. If you don't have a time, you have to waste your time somewhere, right? That girl simply wasted 4 months of time and no job, and the other guy is telling you give me amount, I'll place you, you give me amount, I'll place you. Simply, she will lose the confidence, she lose the money, and now she does not know what to do. Clear? Now, BI people, PI means Power BI people. What all they have to learn, Anna? They have to learn. So all these are the four pillars. So if somebody says like that, you need not do this, you need not do this, means you will be simply wasting your time. SQL server is important, and reporting is important. Reporting means we are going to be learning Power BI, and what is important? ETL is important. ETL means we are learning what Nana SSIS here, and the next one is what is important? Data warehouse is important. Okay, so data warehouse, people will say DWH, data warehouse. Clear? So all these are important to learn. If somebody is saying, I will give you SQL Server 10 days and Power BI 20 days, means you will be cheated. You will be cheated, and you will not be able to get any job, I'm telling you. Clear? And people are also learning nowadays, and Azure. People are also asking about cloud. So people are asking about Azure. This is a cloud. This is a cloud technology. But as of now, we can keep this for optional. Okay, na? So these are the things people are asking as of now in the company. Now we can just go. They're asking all of them. Let me open some job sites, and I will show you. Right? Let me go to Naukri.com. Naukri.com, and I want to tell you what are the jobs in Naukri.com for Power BI. Let me go to Naukri.com. This is number one portal. So many people will say they don't have a jobs in Power BI. That is what they'll say, because they are the brokers. So they want to take your money. They want to search. Now enter the skill. I'll write Power BI. Right? Power BI jobs. Let me write only in Hyderabad. Okay. So enter location Hyderabad. And I don't want to give anything. Simply click on search. Okay. Now you see what are they asking? Microsoft Power BI application developer. Now what are they asking? You come to know. So they're asking Power BI. They're asking, then querying. Query means what? An SQL server. Clear? So business process, some domain knowledge you need to have it. So this is Accenture, which is the company recruited. Accenture guys. Now come down. Power BI developer. What is experience? Now Power BI, SQL, Python, Power BI, SAS, RC. How many things are they asking? If you simply learn only Power BI, and don't learn anything, then you will be the loser. They're asking much more. EI is one more company. Now let me come down. Let me count down. See, what are they asking? Are they asking Azure or not? Azure. Are they asking SSAS? And this is also we are going to be including. I did not tell. So DAX they're asking Azure, SQL, SSIS, SSAS. What are they asking? So they're asking much more. If you learn only Power BI and if you're trying to get a job, you will not be able to get a job at all. Now you come down. So totally, how many results we got it? We got 3401 jobs are available in Hyderabad itself. Clear? How many jobs are available? 3000 jobs are available. Then people will say, sir, I don't have a job. I don't see Power BI jobs are not there. Power BI jobs are there. But the problem, do you have the enough technologies? Did you learn? No, only Power BI, that to 20 days. So, not even extra technology. Why? Because the broker told you, no, companies are getting opened, companies are getting opened. So, you're saying, no call center, no call center, no calls. Who told you no calls? Clear, calls are there. Only problem, people are not learning everything. They need everything should be done in a 1 month, right? So that is how everything should be done in 1 month time. So those people will get caught by brokers. 100% broker will catch them. So because this guy think that he will be able to get a job. Clear, guys? So 3.7 years. So what is the salary package? Now SQL Server AS. So Microsoft SQL Server, Cosmos, lot of other things they're asking. Have you seen this? Now DAX, MDX, Power BSS, a lot of SSIS. Have you seen this? Now Power Apps also they're asking a lot of things. You cannot learn everything, Python, Githan, everything you can learn. At least important things you should be able to know. So the data warehousing they're asking. Have you seen this? So data warehousing, Power BI developer, Carbine Technologies, 3.7, 3 to 8 years of experience. Have you seen this? 4 days back it has posted like that. Lot of companies are there. Lot of company TechWare, say, this one, that one. So a lot of companies are there. You can just go there and you will be able to understand Power BI, SSIS, testing, performance tuning, Power BI. So lot of things they guys are asking. If you learn a single technology, you will be the loser, Nana. Clear? So 100% support will be given. So Azure, as of now, we will just lead it. So these are the things we will be able to give you. And one more thing, I want to also share it with you along with the Power BI. So you will have Power BI with what? Power BI with the DAX is going to be taken. And in this also, I'm going to be including SSAS tabular model. So many times you will be able to see this also. Okay. So DAX and plus I'm going to be giving you SSAS tabular model. So this is also some companies are asking. So this will be a free classes for you will be given. So I will also write one more thing I'm going to be giving. So that is free. You can learn this anytime. SSAS tabular model. So this is also we're including Nana in this course only. This is for only 3 to 4 days classes. Not very complicated. Very important. No live classes and these are also given for free to you. Clear? So anytime you can just take it and anytime you can just watch. Clear? But you will be making the payment for course number 1, course number 2. This is course number 3 and these courses are completely free courses. Clear? So you will be able to give like that. So these are the things we are learning, not only one thing, and all the CV preparation, everything I'll be taking care. So don't worry about it. So this is what we are going to be starting in tomorrow's class. So we have the same meeting ID you can use. In tomorrow's completely, we are going to discuss about what is the data. Okay. What is business intelligence? What is a data analytics? What is a data science? What is Power BI, right? And what is MSBI? What is SQL? What is RDBMS, right? What is database management system, right? And what is Python, right? So lot of things we're going to be understanding. What is a data warehousing? So lot of things we're going to be discussing in tomorrow and day after tomorrow classes. And the demos are today 1 and tomorrow 2 and 3. These are completely free demos. Anybody can attend. After that, you have to make the payment and you have to continue. And the same meeting ID you can use. Same meeting ID you can use. So that is what is important. So tomorrow we'll continue further, Nana. In tomorrow's class, I will be talking about what hardware you need, what software you need, and what kind of a laptop you need to have it. Laptop or computer compulsory. Laptop or desktop is compulsory, mandatory, must. Clear? If you wanted to ask me what is the laptop configuration, you need to have it. So let me give you Windows 11 is recommended. If you don't have at least a 10 or 11 is recommended. Windows 10 or 11 is recommended. Minimum 2 GB of RAM so is recommended. The preferable if you have a 4 GB that will be good. So but minimum 2 GB also fine, and the minimum 100 GB of hard disk is enough. Okay, and in this also if you have SSD that is very faster, so that you can go in for, and that's it. So any processor can work. Any processor means I have AMD processor i3 i4, anything can be used, any processor can work. So you can buy a laptop same configuration will be available for 35K, and a desktop same configuration will be available for the 20K. Clear? So the Power BI software I will give you, we can install the Power BI on the 4th class. Okay, Power BI software I'm going to be giving it to you. Okay, so when will I give? In the class 4th class. Okay, in the 4th day I'm going to be giving you this software, and I'm also going to be giving you SQL Server software. The version number is 2019, so this is the one you need to give. So I will be giving you the installation and everything on the 4th class. Clear? So demos are free. After the demos, so I will be giving you these softwares. You can download them. Then I will show you how to install them, and don't worry about it. But in the meantime, you have to buy a laptop and configure Windows 11. Go to the nearest hardware shop and ask them to format and give some 300 rupees or 500 rupees. Everything will be done. Clear? So we will be giving daily videos. You should not be worried at all. Clear? So to get the daily videos, this is the form you need to fill it up, and email address, full name with surname, your location means the city, country, phone number, especially WhatsApp phone number we need, Power BI. You have to mention Power BI, date June 1st and click on subscribe. This I'm going to be giving in the chat window. Compulsorily you have to fill it up. Clear, Nana? So that you will get the discounted price when you fill the form. Even though you have filled it up earlier, compulsorily today you have to fill it up. So even though you're coming from old batch, you wanted to again rejoin in this batch, compulsorily you have to fill the form. If you don't fill the form, you don't get the daily recorded videos, I'm telling you. If you're not able to fill, whatever be the reason, you mention uh, you mentioned complete you write your email to me so that you will be able to get it. So SQL Server and Power BI we are learning in June and July, Nana. SSAS and Azure will be learning, so this is optional parameter that we can plan compulsorily in the month of August. CV preparation, interview preparation, documents, if you need a documents and everything, job placement, everything we will be able to assist you, support you. You should not be worried about anything. If you have a PF account, even they're getting 10,000 rupees per month, you should not close the PF account. I'm telling you, you can have a designation as a teacher, nothing to worry. So with the same 10,000, 20,000 rupees salary, we will be able to get 10 lakhs. How I can discuss in the later classes. You should not close anything. Clear, guys? So this is completely 2 months here. This is 1 month complete. It will take a 3 months, Nana. If you don't have 3 months time, you can buy the videos and prepare on your own time, and you can also buy the videos, and you can watch them privately, and you can appear for the interviews. We don't have anything. Okay, placement and any consultancy support means you can reach these numbers, and info at goonlinetrainings.com you can say, and you can also use so goonline.madhav. So that is also you can use. Okay, goonline.madhav is the in charge. If you need a placement support and everything, so gmail.com you can also use. His number is this. You can also take this and get the support and everything, guys. Clear? But end of the day, if you don't operations head, clear, Mr. Madhav. So placement. So don't take any proxies and anything as of now, because you can take the proxies, people will get the money, brokers will get the money, but without a subject, don't waste your time. You fail 5 interviews, you will be able to get a minimum 2 to 3 offer letters. Many people tell me, sir, I have waited 10 years to get a single job in IT industry, but within 3 months, I'm able to crack 5 interviews. Govind Surla is from Machilipatnam. Govind Surla from Machilipatnam, I'll show. He is a male. He got 4 offer letters within 3 months' time, but he could not get a proper guidance. He waited so long, 10 years. He was working as a faculty or a lecturer in the company. Now, within 3 months of training, he got 4 offer letters. Now, that guy got into Infinite company. I'll show, I cannot record that, but I'll show his email ID. Like that, many people are getting much more opportunities. Much more opportunities, Nana. We will be continuing in tomorrow's class. Tomorrow will be part 2 demo. Same meeting ID, you can use it. So if you have a friends, if you like this, definitely inform your friends and they will be able to get into IT industry. Learning a single course is a difficulty. If somebody is saying 20 days and 1 month, if something goes wrong, something happen, means you are simply, going to the wrong way, wrong path. Those are not teachers or gurus or mentors. You will be in the hands of brokers. So if brother is saying, your cousin is saying, I will give you a job, don't believe him. Even though he is a cousin, even though he is a very good thickest friend, he needs your money. Clear? So never approach. So if somebody says, I can give you a job, or somebody saying, no jobs after 1 month, don't believe them. Don't believe them. If they are not able to show you, I will show you. Don't worry about it. If they are not able to get you as a brother, I am your brother. If they are not able to get as a sister, I am your sister. If they're not able to get you anything, I'm your friend. Clear? Utilize goonlinetrainings.com. Don't get cheated by the brokers. Don't approach. You see, Chiranjeevi is also there. Ramcharan can get the help. But Chiranjeevi has taken a Rajamouli as a director. So why can't, even though 30 years of industry experience is with, Chiranjeevi, why can't he direct? Because that is not the right path. You have to always go to the right people only to do the right jobs. Rajamouli only capable, or Puri Jagannath only capable, not the other people, right? Only the directors we have to reach, but not the, industry guys. Simply, Chiranjeevi was also there in that 30 industry. But can he take a Triple R movie or Bahubali movie as compared with Rajamouli? Cannot. So your brother may be working for 30, for 10 years. So may not be a right person, right mentor for you. I'm telling you, may not be a right mentor for you, because he cannot teach you, because he's completely something he's doing. He's not a teacher, he's not a mentor, he's not a guru, right? So that is what, because many people think that my brother can do, my neighbor can do, my father can do, my uncle can do. All of them cannot happen. Only gurus are gurus, mentors are mentors, directors are directors, and actors are actors. You don't take actor as a director, don't take brother as a guru as a mentor, you will lose everything. Clear? You have to do the proper course with the proper people, proper mentoring. You will get 100% mentoring, Nana. That is what is you're missing. We are helping especially the people from village background, poor people coming from the small, villages. They don't have, proper support from the family. We are placing those kind of a people into the IT industry. Go online trainings motto is not to teach Power BI. Remember this. Go online trainings.com goal is not to teach Power BI. It is to create a bridge between IT company with the good knowledge people. So that is what is our aim. So my aim is not to teach Power BI. If you wanted to get Power BI, you can go and join any other institution. Doesn't matter. But if you wanted to get placement on your own without paying not even single rupee to anybody, on your own confidence, if you're able to crack the interview, then that is what is that. We are there. We are going to be helping the people, especially from the rural people, village people. So anybody from the urban, from the cities, they can easily get into IT industry. But any guy from a rural college like me is able to crack the interview and get into IT industry, means definitely you need proper gurus, proper mentors. Villanతా help మీకు ఉండాలి. So especially the small village town people utilize this opportunity. We are going to be creating a bridge between a small villages to IT companies like Capgemini, Infosys, and utilize this. Don't worry about the, the starting point. Anybody can have a, starting problem. You could be a teacher. You don't have a money. A lot of things can come. You don't have English. You don't have proper, certificates. Nothing to worry. Simple one graduation. Open university also fine. No problem at all. Clear? BA, BCom, BSc, MPharmacy, MPhil, whatever you want to have, you can have it. Don't worry. So tomorrow part two. June 2nd will be meeting. Same meeting ID. I wanted to take your questions now. Thank you for attending the batch, and I have taken extra time. Sorry for that. So thank you guys. I will take your questions one by one, one by one. So I'll stop recording. So this video will be posted immediately to you guys.